What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 electric toothbrushes according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Best overall, Oral-B Genius 8000. This electric toothbrush is very feature-rich and has a high technology for a toothbrush. Actually, it's a premium electric toothbrush made by Oral-B. It looks great with 2 buttons on the front, an on-off switch, and a down button, and a soft-touch rubberized grip on the back. Its 360 SmartRing with LED lights will allow you to personalize your brushing experience with your choice of 12 colors. And featuring a SmartRing, it works with the integrated timer and pressure sensor to provide you with visual feedback on brushing time and brushing pressure. So together, it will help you brush for the recommended 2 minutes while making sure you brush with appropriate pressure to protect your gums from overbrushing. Now, moving on to its case, this premium smart travel case is provided to charge your brush and smartphone via USB at the same time, while its 6 brushing modes will let you further customize your brushing experience based on your specific oral care goals. Best value, Oclean Sonic. If you are looking for a light-weighted electric brush, then this Oclean Air 2 must be the perfect choice for you. Weighing merely 98 grams with a compact and sleek design, this smart electric toothbrush is super lightweight and ultra-portable. Featuring an Oclean patent Whisper Clean technology, it can significantly reduce toothbrush noise, with less than 45 decibels to indulge yourself in a moment of tranquility. As driven by 2000 Hz ultrasonic technology, it can enable the motor to operate silently and offer a clean and peaceful toothbrushing experience during night and day. It is designed to thoroughly and effectively dissolve in-between tooth food debris, significantly remove stains, and improve oral and dental health. With a built-in 800 mAh capacity battery, this smart sonic electronic toothbrush can last up to 4 more weeks when fully charged, while its magnetic charge base will deliver a time-saving charging process and is convenient to be attached on accessible surfaces as well. Best budget, battery-powered, Spinbrush Pro WHITEN. Next up, we have the best budget option. This is a battery-powered toothbrush that's designed with a rotating whitening cup and whitening bristles. Its dual-action brush head is made with whitening bristles and is clinically proven to deliver whiter teeth in 1 week. These replaceable electric toothbrush heads also features a color wear bristles that fade over time to help remind you when it's time to replace them with a new toothbrush head. And to save time and plastic, you can keep this handle with Spinbrush brand toothbrush bristles refill packs. Best Splurge, Oral-B IO Series 9. This is one of the priciest electronic toothbrushes around. By design, it has a modern look and is available in 3 colors: black, white, and rose quartz. It ships with a magnetic charger that can be connected to a standard shaving socket, 1 brush head, and a case to hold spares. You will also get a rechargeable carry case, which will keep the brush powered up while you're away from home. Its integrated color LCD display is excellent. It will make it easy for you to choose your preferred setting and receive feedback after you finish brushing. And another worth mentioning feature of this product is its pressure sensor. It will indicate when you're pressing too hard or excessive pressure, and it can also detect whether you're not pressing hard enough as well. Best U-shaped, V-White Ultrasonic. This toothbrush is a powerful, modern toothbrush that helps you keep your teeth clean. Its specially designed seals and gaskets will keep this toothbrush water tolerant and helps to remove 300% more plaque along the gum line than a regular manual brush. Featuring 3 modes, like powerful teeth brushing, comfortable or medium mode, and teeth whitening or whitening mode, you can choose different modes according to your preferences and dentist's recommendations. Its U-shaped automatic toothbrush snap-fit design is tailored to fit the mouth and clean the surface and internal orientation of the teeth. And coming made from food-grade silicone, it is highly water repellent, washable, and reusable as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.